Okay, right, another day and another video. So today we are heading over towards Stanton on this lovely path. I'll just spin you around, give you a bit of an idea where I am, of my area. Sun is absolutely beaming through the trees at the moment, and the trees are very still, so not a lot of wind out there. It's kind of ideal conditions to fly the drone. It's a little bit too bright, and I think the DJI might struggle a little bit, I think, with the brightness. We got a casualty in the form of a tree. Probably okay to walk under, I think. I just thought I'd test it to see how safe it was. I guess the authorities to come round and make firewood out of that at some point. So the plan is to fly my drone, I guess, and see if we can see the herd of deer. Just have a general fly around. This just kills a bit of time for me. I like to get out and about, make my little video. I'm not wearing the appropriate footwear either today, I'm afraid, but there we go. We're just going to head on through this way, I think, down the old abandoned railway line. I think I remedied the problems I had yesterday of the SD card malfunction. It turns out that what I needed was an update. I'm hoping that that's going to sort the problem out. Oh, hello. Dog's looking for squirrels. You won't get in, mate. You missed your chance. You've missed your chance. Yes, I know you want to get up there, don't you? He's up there. Where are they then? Go on, up you go. Just up on that branch there, look. You see him? Hey, here he goes. There he goes. Alright. And can we film?
Point updated.
Yep, we can film. I hope so anyway. Spin you around. There you go. You can see me. Take her, put on sports mode. Right, so it's in sports mode, so the gimbal's going to be a little bit jumpy, I think. Okay, right, it's a little bit of wind up there, and it's battling against the wind, so it's going to be a little bit jumpy. But just having a quick scout around my local area to see if I can see anything. Nothing is kind of coming up at the moment, deer wise, that is. Nothing there. Let's head on over there, shall we? See if you can see anything over there at all. So look in some of the shadows and see what there is. Seem to be a huge amount around at the moment, which is a shame. Never mind.
Landing.
Okay, there we go. What a shame, nothing around, can't see a thing. Had a good look around the area, nah, nothing about, I'm afraid. Never mind. Try next time. No. Ah, what a shame, what a shame. I can't see them on the old drone anyway, not on the heads up with the phone. I'm kind of hoping that it's recorded there. One thing I've noticed, the fly time with the DJI is quite a bit less than the Hubsan drones which I've had. The extra 10 or 12 minutes really does, you know, it makes a massive difference. I think that's probably about the only good thing about the Hubsan is the amount of time you can stay in the air that little bit longer. We're going to go back through here again, have we? Okay, let's try this then. Hello. Ooh, managed it. Anyway, yeah, quite an important year. Lots going on. Regarding elections coming up. Personally, I won't be voting myself. I've just basically given up with the whole kind of establishment thing now. It, you know, nothing seems to change. So, to me, what's the point in voting? You know, so I won't be bothering. I think over in the UK, I think the Tories are going to get kicked out.
Well, we know what they want. They want more for themselves and less for everybody else.
I don't think they're connected to the real people. They're not connected. It's a big club, you know, and unfortunately, as George Carling once said,
it's a big club and you ain't in it.
Trump mania seems to be the thing at the moment in the States. Things, I suppose, were maybe slightly better when he was in. I think the world was more peaceful because, now let me think, I think it was 2013, Russia invaded the Crimea, or 2015, I can't remember now. Anyway, that was under Obama. Trump gets in and nothing happens for the next 4 or 5 years. Literally, you know, nothing happens. Oh, Rocket Man over in North Korea went a bit quiet. Putin went quiet. The Iranians went quiet. Everything was kind of fairly okay in the Middle East with Israel and Hamas and the West Bank and Hezbollah and all the rest of them. And then something strange happened regarding the voting. I don't honestly know what happened there. I don't want to get into that.
I thought Del Boy might have something up his sleeve.
Anyway, so Biden gets in, and then, like, literally the crap hits the fan. So what we got now, we got, financially, I think America are probably staring down the barrel of a gun, as are we. We got massive issues with Israel. We got Putin invades Ukraine. Ukraine have lost a whole generation of young people. If you thought that getting Biden in was going to be, you know, oh, he's going to be better than Trump. I mean, is he? Is he really better than Trump? Under Trump, the world was more stable. But now you've got Biden and the whole world has gone absolutely bonkers. Absolutely bonkers. You know, to the point that now NATO is saying we need to gear up for a war against Russia in the next 20 years. You know, and if we have a war with Russia, it means basically we're taking on China as well. And, you know, this is like, you know, it's going to be, if that happens, I don't think it will, by the way, but if it does happen, and anything can happen, then basically I think we can all kiss our backsides goodbye. Let's just say, like, every invention human beings have made, they've used, including the nuclear bomb. literally got enough to blow up the whole planet many times over. And everything humans have made, they basically used. Anyway, have a good day and sleep well.